Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm unboxing the tripod, right? So I never used tripods before. So this is a small tripod, where you can put it on your computer table. So where you can mount your DSLR, the mobiles, so whatever, right? So let me see what's inside. Okay, so we have this pin. I seriously don't know what this is meant for. As I told you, this is the first time I'm using the tripod, and this might be, a DSLR holder. Let me see this. Let me, yeah, and yeah, this is your tripod stand. So as I told you, I bought it in Amazon. It cost me somewhere around close to 1200 bucks, right? So yeah, let me open this. It is actually flexible, if you see, right? So you can bend like whatever you want, right? And you can hold it on the the grills like this, and you can put what do you call, you can mount your DSLR and your mobile. So they call it some, the memorable what do you call, silicone or plastic, right? So what does that mean is, right, so when you do like this, like it will stay like this, right? So that's what they are calling it, uh, the memorable silicone or whatever it is. It's easy to hold in a hand where you can fix your DSLR, maybe we can fix this here, not sure. And yeah, maybe we can put our mobile here, right? It's very, comfortable to hold in a single hand, to put your DSLR, your mobile, and to carry. So this is the product which we are talking about till now, right? So it cost me, yeah, somewhere around, the close to 1400 bucks, right? So yeah, so these are the things, you can hold, mount your DSLR, mobile, and the normal cameras, right? So did you see this? This looks very awesome, right? So you can adjust your height, by bending this tripods. Oh yeah, it's nice. You can also twist, right? So this is where you can hold your mobile. So it says universal clip, so almost you can fix any kind of mobile. Yeah, it says durable, anti-crack, robust, waterproof. Good. Did you see this? This is awesome, right? So you can hold your camera on the grills like this, right? Your mobile. This is pretty good, but not sure how efficient it is. Maybe I'll explore more, and I'll make it one more video. Uh, how it goes, right? So it says maximum load is 1.2 kgs, right? But in some comments they say it can hold up to 2 kgs, but it says 1.2 kgs. Yeah, and these are the, it's suppose most of the mobiles, you have the landscape protead, this is, it looks promising. Maybe I'll use couple more days, and I'll make one more video on this. Thank you. Maybe I'll explore more. So I'll be using this tripod for my, the YouTube video recording on data science, machine learning, cloud, Python, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. So as I told you, I use this more, and I'll make one more video to review this. So till then, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for data science videos. Thank you.